What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, I'm going to take you guys to the 66-degree north latitude. A video of the sun has surfaced from way up here, and you're going to see in this video an object near the sun that does not appear to be a reflection, and you're also going to see the same object from a different location on a different day down here in North America. Really cool video footage. You guys are definitely going to want to stick around for that. Right here in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, that is a subtropical cyclone trying to form right now as I do this video. Coming over here to the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Amanda out of Buffalo, Minnesota. Fiery orange sky visible from Minnesota. Excellent photo. Checking in on the Schumann resonance, you can see in the last 36 hours there's been a little bit of noise. Nothing major, but something detected in the Schumann. Checking in on the planetary K index, this is influenced by the sun, and you can see in the last 12 hours there's been a little bit of an increase in the planetary K index, but nothing major. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, looking at the seismographs that monitor the mighty supervolcano. For some reason, there's an absence of data right here in the center of Yellowstone Lake, but for the most part, not too much going on at Yellowstone. They've got the power back on in North Carolina, with the exception of 4,355 customers from the long-duration power outage event that they had this week in North Carolina. Some customers are still without power, and some customers were without electricity for almost 4 days. Checking in on the Lake Mead and Lake Powell water situations, looking at 5 days in a row now of positive change at Lake Mead as the water is rising just a little bit. Lake Powell, not the same situation over here. The water continues to decrease day by day, albeit small changes, but nevertheless, they do add up, and the water is still continuing to go down at Lake Powell. And this is truly bizarre. We're looking at a subtropical cyclone trying to form out here in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. There's a 50% chance of formation, and you can see this orange X right here in the middle of the map, and here's the satellite presentation of the subtropical storm trying to form. And once again, this does have a 50% chance of forming in the next 48 hours. I don't think it's going to make landfall anywhere along the eastern seaboard. I think if it does form, it's going to go up into the northern Atlantic, and it's supposed to, according to the models that I've seen, balloon into a huge storm system in the northern Atlantic here in the next 5 days. Okay, now to the videos of the sun. We're going to start out down here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and these videos that you're about to see, I don't believe are any type of reflections. These people noticed something, or at least that's what the videos are showing us, something near the sun. In both locations, Iceland and Baton Rouge, Louisiana, the objects look the same. So we're going to start off in Baton Rouge, and there is some narration to the video, and here we go.
All right, we're going to look a little bit closer. Let's try to get around the glare. There's something just right behind it. Something blue. Right there. It's just peeking out.
Okay, that's the original video footage out of Baton Rouge, and you can clearly see when he zooms in, that doesn't appear to be lens glare. This is the video out of Baton Rouge. Now I want to take you guys up here to northern Iceland. This video footage was sent in by Elmar, and here we go. He too captured something near the sun. However, his was on top of the sun at the 12 o'clock position, and Josh's was at the 3 o'clock position. Elmar on October 22nd of 2022, looking in the southern sky from North Iceland, and that's the sun in the southern sky just a few weeks ago. And you can see the similarities to the object that was picked up by Josh out of Baton Rouge. Here's the video footage, and this does not appear to be a reflection. This looks like it's clearly behind the clouds, and I'm going to compare side-by-side versions of the video sent in by Josh out of Baton Rouge, which was taken in September. This video footage here was taken in October, and you'll see the similarities. They appear to have the same size. They appear to be about the same distance from the sun. Only difference is this one here is at the 12 o'clock position, and Josh's was over here at the 3 o'clock position. Other than that, at least to me, they look almost identical. And Josh and Elmar do not know each other. They both just happened to film something in the sky near the sun. They shared the videos with me. I'm sharing them with you guys. The object in the video looks similar. It looks just like the one in Baton Rouge. The only difference is this video was filmed from up near the Arctic Circle, where Josh's video come out of Baton Rouge. That's at about the 30-degree north latitude, somewhere around that area, I think 30. This is at the 66-degree north latitude. So this one was 36 degrees farther north, again, near the Arctic Circle in northern Iceland is where this video is from. That's where it was taken. Here I did some enhancement work and basically just flipped the lighting. Light is dark and dark is light, and it remained in the video. Right there it is. It's just a different color. It's almost like a brown in this particular format. And I also have a video sent in by Mary Hall and Dale Dufay of something that they noticed on a Skycam of an unusual object that appeared in the Skycam video and in the reflection of the video. So that's important. If it wasn't in the reflection, then more than likely it was a light anomaly. I think they saw something too, and it was just a few weeks ago, like these videos here. So once again, this video was from northern Iceland. We're going to go back to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. There's a little more video footage here. I take and do some comparisons. I turn this one left 90 degrees so it looks similar to the video in Iceland, and see the similarities. When I put this one on top, they look almost identical. The only difference is they're 36 degrees apart. This video was taken at the 30-degree north latitude in that general vicinity. This one was taken at the 66-degree north latitude on different days. Josh's was in September, and this video over here on the left by Elmar was in October. About a month apart, maybe 5 or 6 weeks apart. Now we're going to go back to the original video sent in by Josh. I have a side-by-side of his video with the object on top, like the video out of Iceland, and then his original where the object was at the 3 o'clock position. And again, you can see the similarities to the video out of Iceland. They look almost identical, with the exception of Josh's. The object looks a little more blue. It has a bluish green appearance. And that doesn't look like a classic reflection. We see reflections almost every day in photos of the sun. That thing does not appear to be moving. That's why he's zooming in and out, trying to show that there does appear to be a stationary object near the sun that is blue. Here's a side-by-side with the Iceland video, and these are unenhanced. These are exactly how they were shared with me. This is the video from Iceland on the left and the video from Baton Rouge on the right. And you can see the uncanny similarities. The video from Iceland, the object might be a little farther away from the sun. They appear to be about the same size, and they could be the same color. There's a little more cloud cover up here in the Iceland video than there was in Baton Rouge, but both very interesting videos. And here's yet another observation by Mary Hall and Dale Dufay. And there's some narration in this video I want you guys to listen to. They were looking at a sky cam. This is the sun over here on the horizon. This is a reflection down here. And you're going to see what looks like an object near the sun that also shows up in the reflection. Here we go.
Yeah, look at that. It's clear. You can see it in the reflection. And up there, actually.
Up there.
The reflection is what's really important.
There's two there.
There are definitely two objects there. Is that one? It's not a camera apparition either, because we've seen this live feed many times, and I've never seen it like that.
So as Dale was saying, they look at this almost all the time, and at least on a regular basis, and they've never seen a secondary object like that, especially down here in the reflection. This is the reflection down here, and sometimes if there is a reflection, and usually there is anytime there's a photo or video of the sun, if there is a secondary object, it will not show up in the reflection. You'll just see the sun. And as Dale was implying, it's odd to see a secondary reflection like that. Usually the reflection of the sun is just one orb somewhere in the photo or video, not two like that. 2 is implying that there's 2 objects up here that are putting off a source of light. That's why there's 2 reflections down here. That's an odd-looking shape for a reflection. I totally agree, 100%. Great observation, Dale and Mary. Thanks for sharing. So once again, we've got something possibly spotted from northern Iceland near the sun, and also from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Could have been the same object seen by 2 different people on different days. Again, Elmar's was spotted in October, and Josh was out of Baton Rouge. His was on September 16th of 2022. So it looks like if these are indeed the same object, the object moved from down here at the 3 o'clock position in September to the 12 o'clock position in October. Great observations, guys. Keep the photos and videos coming. If you have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at mrmbb333.com. If you have any videos you'd like to share that won't attach to the email for whatever reason, come over here to the homepage of the website, click on this red tab that says Have a Large Video. Simply follow the prompts, drag and drop your video into that red tab. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. And don't forget to order your brand new 2023 Sky Phenomena Photo Calendar. 2023 is right around the corner. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.